Hello, Francis McShane here, and I've written an extension for the SketchUp extension warehouse called Datum Level Tool. I'm going to try and explain it to you here in this short video. Once you've bought the Datum Level Tool, which costs $9 to see on the SketchUp extension warehouse, and installed it, it should appear under your extensions menu as Datum Level Tool, and there's a related extension called Refresh Levels, and I'll show you what that does once I've added a few levels to the drawing, to the model. So the tool is now running, and if I click on the surfaces here or edges or vertices, you'll see that levels appear like that. So it works very, very simply, and all of those numbers actually represent the height above the model origin. So check that very quickly. Just grab the end of that tool and go down to the model origin. If you look down in this box here, you see what I'm circling with the pencil tool, you'll see that that's 2.4 meters, and that is exactly the number that's written there. So it works. But the nice thing is that if you get, for instance, information that this has to all of these levels have to be changed, maybe to an ordnance survey datum, then you just grab everything and you move your model up to the ordnance survey datum. Let's say it's a meter higher, 1 meter to that. You can then, and you see that's 2.4 meters, and that's 1.6 meters, and that's 1.67 meters again, and that's 1.37 meters. If I run the refresh levels tool, you can see that changed to 3.4 from 2.4. That's 2.6. It just added a meter to everything. So it'll recalculate all of these levels just from you having moved it. You don't have to go in and change the text yourself. Now, another nice thing about the tool is that it works hand in glove with SketchUp to make it easy to change the appearance of things. So, for instance, some of these tools, we'll tell you what, we'll take a look at it in plan view, and you can see it's actually very hard to see the text with this one against this grey background. But that's easy to fix. You just click on the level, and you can actually just change the color of the text. So you make it a brighter color. Let's make it light yellow like that. And it didn't work. Why not? Let's look at it. Light yellow, like that. Hopefully that worked. Yeah. So there you go. That text is now perfectly readable against that background. You do that to them all. You notice they don't all become light yellow. It's just the one that you've clicked on. So if we pick this one here, for instance, we'll go for a green if you like that. That'll really stand out against that red, and you can have it really multicolored. You put a blue against this. So everything kind of stands out a bit better against this background color. Maybe you can go for yellow for this one. Yellow will show up better against blue. You might have, you might want it to be somewhat bigger, so you can also change the text size. Again, this is just SketchUp functionality, not particular functionality to the tool, just so to show you that you can do it. So you can go from 12 maybe to 16 font if you want. And also, it just affects the level, the one level that you've changed. It won't affect it all. So you can you've got great control over what you're doing. And even the actual symbol itself can be changed, because that's a component. So, for instance, if I put on hidden geometry, let's see that some of these are faces, so if I click into these faces and make them visible, unhide it, this one, unhide it, there's two faces there, and I can bring out the, turn the circle thing into a face, like that there, and we can possibly extend these from 0.25 of a meter to say 0.3 of a meter. Sorry, 0.03. So it sticks out a little bit. There's a bit of projection. There. Oops. Like that there. And we can make these a bit zanier, but like they frequently are. These faces having different colors. Oops. There's a missing line there. That should help. Yeah. So as you go around it, they go black and white, or dark grey and white. So take a look at what that looks like then on the drawing. I'll put the hidden geometry off, and it kind of brings it out a bit more. And when you zoom in, you can see it's the typical datum level symbol. And if you go into front mode, front view, it looks like that there. The actual component is a face me component, so it'll always face the camera. But anyway, that's the tool, and I hope you find it useful. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.